Welcome to the Fimbel Maker Innovation Lab. In this video, we will be taking a virtual tour of the general workspace. To the left of the lounge, you enter into the general workshop space. To the left of the general workshop is the entrance to the woodworking and metalworking shop. For the general workshop, there is no special training needed to gain access. Everyone is welcome to make projects large or small, regardless of level of experience. When using the space, we ask participants to abide by our 4 core values, which are: please be welcoming and respectful of others. That includes not assuming the identities of fellow makers and our student staff. Clean up after yourself. Not only is this respectful to other makers and the student staff, but it can be a safety hazard. Use common sense and be aware of your surroundings. There are a variety of activities happening in the space, and we want to make sure everyone is making safely. And ask questions. We want everyone to feel knowledgeable and comfortable in the space. If there is something you do not know or a piece of equipment that you would like training on, just ask a professional staff or a student worker. We are here to help. Our equipment is divided up into stations. To the right of the entrance is the sewing station. Here we have a number of standard sewing machines, a serger, and an industrial sewing machine. In the center of the table is a Lazy Susan containing free-to-use sewing supplies. A fun fact about the Lazy Susan is that it was designed and built by a student as a part of a Fimbel independent study. Students that have a project in mind that would like to make in the space can write a proposal and, if approved, can receive funding and a Fimbel mentor to help take their projects from an idea to reality. To the left of the shop is our 3D printer station. We have a variety of 3D printers such as the Mojo, Make a Gear, Form 2, and Ultimakers. Anyone can get started using the 3D printers. There are many free resources available to find 3D models, such as on thingiverse.com. For those who would want to get even more hands-on, we teach workshops on 3D modeling basics and in CAD. To book the 3D printers or learn more, visit our website at mountholyoke.edu/fimbellab. In the center of the general workshop are workshop tables and a projector available for academic and personal use. Continuing into the lab is our electronics station. Here's where we keep commonly used equipment and supplies for our electronic-based projects. We have solder, soldering irons, resistors, electrical tape, you name it. Towards the end of the general workshop is our electronics cabinet, which houses additional electronic components such as microcontrollers, LEDs, and sensors. If you've never worked with electronics and are curious about how day-to-day items work, consider taking our iDesign Studio course. To the right live our 2 Epilogue laser cutters. A laser cutter uses a concentrated laser to cut through or engrave on a variety of materials like wood, plywood, acrylic, some other types of plastic, fabric, and paper. Despite what you may think at first glance, the laser cutters are actually pretty easy to use and is a great equipment for new users looking to get started making. Just ask a staff member for help, grab free material from our material rack, or purchase a fresh sheet from us, or bring your own. To continue in aiding the making spirit, we have our tool rack towards the back right. Here you can find commonly used hand tools, such as wrenches, hammers, clamps, and drills. Against the back wall is our foam cutter, our flammable cabinet, which houses flammable supplies such as spray paints and wood stains, and our crafts cabinet, filled with paints, construction paper, color pencils, and other commonly used craft supplies. All of this is available to you at no cost. Thank you for taking the virtual general workshop tour. For additional tours, check out our website, and we hope to see you in the space very soon.